What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to install the RTR Rocker Splitters for your 2024 Mustang GT or EcoBoost. Inside your box you'll find your RTR Rocker Splitters and your installation kit, which includes well nuts, plastic rivets, and 10mm flange bolts. Tools needed for this installation are a body clip removal tool, 10mm socket, extension, wrench, 31/64 drill bit, 17/64 drill bit, and a drill. Installation of the RTR Rocker Splitters requires unobstructed access to the entire rocker section of the vehicle, so keep that in mind when lifting the vehicle to perform this job. Using a panel clip removal tool, pry the OEM rocker retainers out of the clip pockets. These clips will not be reused with the RTR Rocker Splitter, so feel free to discard them. Identify the correct splitter for the side of the vehicle that you're working on. Just note that the flare to end is towards the rear of the vehicle. Place the splitter underneath and mate the RTR splitter to the OEM splitter. When properly aligned, the RTR clip pockets will nest inside the OEM pockets. Using the RTR splitter as a guide, drill 8 7/64 pilot holes into the bottom of the OEM splitter, making sure not to go through the top. Remove the RTR splitter from the vehicle and set it aside. Now, using the 31/64 drill bit, drill out the pilot holes to accept the supplied well nuts. Again, making sure not to drill through the top of the OEM splitter. Insert the supplied well nuts into the drilled holes, and then again mate the RTR splitter to the OEM splitter and insert the supplied plastic rivets into the holes in the clip pockets. When properly installed, the rivet will pass through both splitters and into the vehicle. Now, secure the outer edge of the RTR splitter to the vehicle using the supplied flange bolts and a 10mm socket. Make sure not to over tighten these, and when it's finished, torque the bolts to 10 inch-pounds. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle and you're ready to rock. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you like this product, rock. Whoa!